That's my creamy chicken coconut curry, healthy, high protein, and meal prep friendly.
I'm Achint and welcome back to Achint's Fit Kitchen where I make easy and high protein recipes. And today we are making this delicious chicken coconut curry that has 54 grams of protein. Let me show you how simple it is to make.
In a hot pan, I'm adding just 5 ml of oil. Once it is heated, in goes half a diced onion along with 2 cloves of garlic. Saute until golden brown. Next, add half a teaspoon of red chili powder and salt to taste. And 35 grams of tomato puree. Give it a good mix. Now pour in 100 ml of coconut milk. Mix well. And as soon as the sauce starts bubbling, we are ready for the protein. Here I have 200 grams of chicken breast that I have pre-boiled. Place it into the sauce and flip so both sides get coated beautifully. Cover and let it simmer for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make a simple yellow rice to serve this with. In boiling water, add 50 grams of pre-soaked rice and 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Boil for 10 minutes. Now for the best part, serving. A touch of fresh coriander leaves. I'm using a real coconut shell bowl for this. Yellow rice goes at the base, then that creamy coconut curry right over the chicken. And there you have it. That's my creamy chicken coconut curry, high protein, meal prep friendly, and super easy to make. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos for more fitness friendly meals.